Well, we're gonna go get some baby kittens. Sharing our stories of creating rich soil in our land and in our lives. Thank you for watching. So we are deciding to take them because they have so much eye goopies, and one of our cats was from a feral cat, and she had a bunch of eye goopies, and now she's blind. So it is now Sophia's job to take care of these kittens. She has been wanting to, so now she has been given the opportunity to, and it is her job. Are you up for the job, Sophia? She's pretty excited. I think they're probably 4 weeks old, so they're not going to need too much bottle feeding, and they can start getting introduced to very, very wet food. All right, we got it set up. Here is Sophia's big responsibility. So Sophia, what's the first thing we need to do when we collect them?
Wash them with Dawn dish.
That's right.
Yeah.
I'm sure they have fleas, right? That's what we're expecting.
We like to put so much down there. So then, it's so funny because then they look like they're having a bath.
Yes. You see this one? 1, 2, there's one over here. You see, this one has pretty bad eyes. All right, Sophia, what do you think? Did you check their sex?
Yes, I think they're all girls. I don't know that.
You think they're all girls?
Can I?
This one's eye is serious.
Oh, it's nails.
Yeah, it's little claws.
I like this.
Okay, so what's the verdict, Sophia?
One completely blind one.
I think that's that one.
2
She's completely blind.
2 that were for sure just has one eye, and then one of them I think might have 2 eyes, but
That one eye looks like it's on its way out. But here they are. So we're gonna care for them, and this one, I can see its eye, but it's not looking good. So this little gray one is adorable with its blue eye, but
poor.
and one of them sounds like it has some respiratory issues, so.
Yeah. Oh, this one. I like that one. I like the gray one. I like this one too. This one has respiratory problems.
Sounds like a multiple jail. We need to give them a little, like a cubby, so they can crawl in there.
Oh, okay. I know where.
It is 10:40 and we have not had breakfast yet. We were just doing chores, and then the neighbor came over with the whole kitten thing, and Sophia was supposed to mow our neighbor's yard yesterday, but a cousin ended up surprising and staying the night, so we totally forgot about that. So she's over there now mowing the lawn before it rains, and then we're gonna get this milk up to 100 degrees, feed the baby goats, and then we will settle down for some brunch. All right, this little one looked weak when I was washing it, but I think she might not make it, and I don't know if she got cold. We bathed her, so I'm just gonna try and warm her up. I don't know what I'm doing, but we're just trying to do our best. But it was really skinny. It is really skinny, so I don't know.
We try giving her the bottle.
Yeah, but I don't know if she'd even take it at this point. She just looks so weak. I want to see if Watson can help it out, because he has done well with kittens. He'll lick them to help him go potty and things like that, but I mean, I just don't know what this kitten needs, and I figured his warm tongue will help her to get warm, if anything. This is a little rice warmer made out of a sock that my husband made for Anastasia. So we warmed it up and just wrapped it in it. But I don't think she's gonna make it. Alright, they got a cozy place, the three of them. Hopefully they'll do alright. We'll see how it goes. Her head's cold. See, over here. See how little kitty's doing. We're gonna warm this up.
No, listen.
Oh, she's getting up. Look at her. Here. Sophia, I'm trying to get this to you. Here, put her down on the floor. Watson, leave it. Well?
No, Watson.
Well, she looks a bit better. She just needs to get a little warmed up. Can you put her down, Babers, please? So we can just see her. Look at her. Oh my word.
Don't touch her. Oh my goodness, you're such a good girl. Don't.
Oh my goodness. Should we try a bottle?
Sure.
Oh my goodness. I really can't believe it. I really can't believe it. I thought you was a goner. I'm a survivor. Okay, we're gonna put her back with her siblings. She looks like she's doing good. Alright, let's go with your little siblings. Snuggle up in there and stay cozy. These kittens are in pretty bad shape. They are really congested. We got some medicine for that, and they do not know how to use the bottle, but we kind of mashed up some wet food and a little bit of goat's milk and gave that to them. The little gray one is doing really well, but other than that, the other ones aren't really getting it, but we kind of gave them some milk, like squirted it down their throat. But here's their new setup. So we're in the kidding pen, and here are the kitties. They're all cozy in there, and they really need each other's warmth. They were cold out there, so yeah, we'll see how they do. Check on them in the morning. Day 2 with the kitties. Sophia's cleaning them up, and she's gonna feed them. We got like a little pasty mash. They don't really want to take the bottle, so goat's milk mixed with wet food. And this little kitty was the sickly one, and the girls decided to name her Faith. See how she does. Okay, so now we're trying to syringe feed them.
You see, she spits it up.
Just give her a second. Sophia has been doing a great job taking care of the kittens. She goes out there throughout the day. She gives them the eye medicine, she gives them some respiratory medicine, and she feeds them. She makes sure that their eyes get cleaned every day So she's doing everything by herself. I might help her once in a while, but for the most part, she does it. And so I'm really proud of her. And so far, so good. It looks like there's 3 girls and 1 boy. And on Friday, on our Faith Building Friday series, I am going to be sharing about little Faith and her story of survival. So, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Ciao, ciao.